morning, good morning, good morning. Finally, we have one day with sun. Has been awful these days because it's just rain and rain and rain. We are in Port Douglas and we have a mission this weekend. Just like this, we are crossing to the Daintree
Rainforest. We're going on the little ferry to get us across the river. We're going in.
So we have, it is the traffic jam. Imagine have those neighbors.
Look around you and imagine the southern supercontinent of Gondwana, an ancient fertile landmass made up of the countries we recognise today as Africa, South America, Australia, Antarctica, the Indian subcontinent and the Arabian Peninsula. The planet was much warmer than it is today. There was no Antarctic ice sheet, dinosaurs roamed the earth, and much of Gondwana was covered with a lush rainforest, very much like the Daintree Rainforest.
Here we go, first ever river.
When Gondwana began to break apart around 180 million years ago, Australia and Antarctica began their own isolated journey.
This is actually really cool. We are learning a lot about the kind of plants, animals that we can find. Like they have a number and then you can see where they are.
It would take another 140 million years for Antarctica and Australia to eventually split.
We made it to the top of the canopy. So it's 23 meters high, 112 steps. And look at this view. So this is actually the fruit from this tree. That is the cashew or satinage. And humans, we can eat this and actually like smell yummy. It's kind of like a mandarin smell. Interesting. We just finished our experience in the Discovery Center. I'm gonna say 10 of 10 because you pay $40 per person, so it was 80 per couple. And they explain you everything. You can visit, touch, just experience the forest in a different way. What makes this place so amazing? Well, they grow everything there. So we are gonna try the ice cream from the fruits that they grow here. Okay, so we tried before the mango. What's mango
and
cinnamon and something else. And
What's this one?
we forgot to take a photo, so this is us. Second day with banana caramel and something else.
And cinnamon, I think.
Cinnamon.
Looks good.
It is raining a lot, but the forest is protecting us. Look at that. And this is the story. How we found a kitchen in the middle of a resort in the Daintree. Because it's raining and raining and raining. Day 2 in the rainforest. And of course was raining, so we come to this place because they have a kitchen, hot showers, they have everything. So the Daintree is divided in 3. One is a state forest, second is national park, and the third area is a private line, like this place. It's sad because now it's full of resorts. It's pretty different of what I was expecting, you know. It's the oldest forest in the world, but you find resorts like this one. So that's wanted to live the experience.
It's already opened. That was easy.
How good is the dish, you know?
Fresh coconut. Oh, delicious.
And of course, look at that, mosses. Exactly in Cape Tribulation, and here is where the rainforest meets the reef. How good is it?
Beautiful.
We cannot swim. Why? Because these waters are the home of the most dangerous species in Earth. Sharks, frogs, you name it. So we are in Port Douglas and we are gonna do a really Queensland experience. We're going to see this race with cane toads. We are waiting.
We've saddled up, we've got a seat, we're waiting for the toads to come out.
So they are preparing everything. You can see the names.
What we do each night is we race these guys twice. Okay? Now the first race we do is going to be done by way of lucky ticket. You've all got a ticket in your hand with a number on it, yes? Now when I call out your number,
What number
you're
you
going to
have?
get a cane.
Each
toad.
99.
See 7 toads on the board there? Lead racing show. Now, into Australia in 1936 to combat the onslaught of the brownback cane beetle, which was devastating our cane industry. Now what happened? They conducted some tests in Puerto Rico back in the early 1930s where this guy wiped out the brownback cane beetle. Now a farmer up here in far north Queensland, this is about 100 kilometres south of here, okay, so very, very close to here. He needed help with this beetle on his farm, so he imported 100 of these guys in a box from Hawaii 100 years ago. Here they go. Touch fast, make the first move.
By far, the best $6 I've ever spent. This is hilarious. The Bloomfield track has been one of our favourite drives on our whole trip, I reckon. Like
Why is that?
It's just amazing. Like you're driving through the Daintree Rainforest and you just got perfect views. Like you're pretty much driving through like a tunnel of trees.
Yes, so true.
And then like you get views looking out over the ocean. You drive past Cape Tribulation. Like you go through river crossings and all the hill climbs. Like it's just an awesome, scenic, fun track.